Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a section to your tasks in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here in the bottom bar we find my tasks. We have to tap on that. And after that, we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the three little dots that we find there. And then we just tap on add section. Here we can name the section that we want to add. For example, section 1. Then tap on done. And here we have a section which we can add tasks to. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.